are set up, and I will use layer 3 to as rows, so this will continue at the board, say like that. And then we have this triad intertwined triads, and then we have layer number, so this will be the ground plane, ground, and here we have the column layer, and that's the gate and control and the output current column. So I think you get the ID, and to set up actually the grid first, then try to map the component, the transistors and the capacitors in these. So here we have matrix 3, matrix 8 and matrix 33. This was something wrong there. That's not correct. Column that's the correct for the matrix 33. So I will try to fit the component as best as possible to this floor plan grid. So I will map all these 500 transistors into this, and then set via inside here, for example, like here. I use via in pad, of course. And then we have like this, and so on. And we have this should be there. We have something like that, and rows here, like here, for instance. If this will be correct. Well, that was not correct. Yeah, I will work with this, try to map the grid as best as possible to this. Here we could do something like that, for instance. But this will be, of course, some sort of that will be some sort of to think through this once will be very good, of course. So I come back with that later. Hope you enjoy to see that. And I change so I have some other names.